Welcome to Alicante.
Spain.
We're Rich and Robin,
And these are our midlife adventures.
living in and out of our midlife van.
Welcome to Alicante,
Alicante.
Spain.
Yes.
It's our last stop.
Before we hit Barcelona. Yeah.
We've been on a 12-day Transatlantic Cruise
With
And-
9 of those days being at sea.
on the Carnival Legend, and this is our last port of call.
Yeah. Last
just-
full day.
We're just going to do our own little walking tour today, see what we can find. You want to go up the zigzag stairs? How about we take the lift?
How about the lift, Robin?
It just opened at 10. So we are going to take the lift, Rich, up to the top of the castle instead of those zigzag stairs.
I think that's probably a good idea, Robin.
Okay. So now we just
Should
have to
we
wait
go,
for
or-
the green light to happen, which I'm not sure how you get a green light. Oh, you better. He's got his ticket pad right in his hand if you want to go for it.
There we go. Green light.
Rich,
We're in a tunnel.
we're in the tunnel to get to the lift. How much was the lift?
270, 2.7 euros each.
Each. We don't know if it's round trip or one way, but we're only
don't
going to
know.
go one way anyway, so not too far. But nice and cool in here
Yes.
under the rock. It was getting hot in the sun outside. Now a line to get into the... This is Castle de Santa Barbara.
Santa Barbara.
Castillo de Santa Barbara, Rich.
Cool.
Is that where they got the name of Santa Barbara, California?
Maybe.
1575.
1575 is when they built the wall and the top
The
castle.
top castle.
1709, they started adding stuff in the middle. And now
The
1986,
top castle is gone?
it looks like that could be a war.
A war somewhere in those 279 years.
Robin, where are we?
We're at Alicante, Spain. And we are at Castillo de Santa Barbara. And I don't know if you looked out this other side, Rich, and the city and the mountain range. Pretty cool up here on the castle. The views that you get.
Over your
There's
shoulder.
our ship over there.
Yeah, over your
The
shoulders.
Carnival Legend.
Pretty big city, huh?
Look at that mountain range
You got
over
the-
there.
The train down there.
And Rich, it looks like they're setting up a market down here. What
No,
are they
no,
called?
no.
Do you see the cannons, Rich?
Cannons, yeah. They said they removed all the weapons, but so
I don't think they work anymore. Pretty big city. Let's see what their
the tasting-
population is. So Alicante has 330,000 people, less than Malaga? It looks pretty big. What's the sign say, Rich?
ruins of the chapel.
The chapel
Santa
was
Barbara.
was here. See the arches of the chapel? Those are probably replicas and in the walls there.
Modern age. We're in Area C, Robin.
Okay, Area C, I'll remember that. Now we're gonna go uphill, Rich.
You thought the lift was going to get us there.
I thought the lift was taking us all the way, and it didn't. To the top. We have climbed up this ramp. Pretty steep. Look at all those stairs down there for the tower.
Crazy. No. Okay. Robin, where are we going?
See if you want to win a 30 because they're on top of the wall, Rich.
Does that go all the way down, you think?
We're going all the way down to these houses over here. Oh, you think the wall goes all the way down?
Yeah. Oh, I see people way down there.
Yeah, I don't know if it's... So now...
300,000, huh? Okay.
337? Are you recording? Yeah. Rich, what do you think of that castle?
That's pretty cool. Santa Barbara, Robin. We
Castillo
had to come
de
all
Santa
the way
Barbara.
to Spain to go to Santa Barbara.
There's no castles in Santa Barbara,
That's
just the mission.
Yes, yeah.
There's the wall you can walk on.
But not all the way down, huh?
No. Well,
I know. I see people down there.
I think there's stairs down from there.
It looks
I don't see
like
anybody walking down those stairs, though, do you?
I see people going to the left and
But-
coming out.
I see. Oh,
See how it curves this
I'm
way?
gonna go down one step of stairs. But I see a bunch of stairs, and I don't see any people on it.
So where does it dump out at? Still over here?
We have to go this way still. We're gonna zigzag to get down this hill.
Yeah, but this is
But
higher.
there is the Blue Pot white building that we're going to, Rich. There's the Blue Pot Street.
So how do you get down to there?
We are almost to the street, Rich.
Almost.
It's a long walk down. I think that took us over a half hour. Some of these pots are purple, Rich.
Isn't that against the rules?
Maybe it's blue paint that faded to purple. There wasn't enough dark in it. Or they wanted to be a purple street. Alicante, Spain. And the blue flower pots. El Barrio, I think is how you say it.
That's Santa Barbara.
Uh-huh.
And then this is Santa Cruz.
Santa Cruz. Do we have another viewpoint here? What do you see, Rich? See anything?
It looks like the same as we've been seeing.
There's the castle. This way or that way? That way or this way? Is it like the eye doctor? One
Yes, one
or two? Two or three?
three-legged dog.
Three-legged dog. Well, let's see what we got on the map. Oh, I see what we got right here.
And you're always trying to find that perfect door. So I'm gonna go down that way.
See, I think so. I don't know how good GPS is going to work, but go for it, Rich. It's the right direction. It's downhill. We'll get there eventually, right?
Yeah, more stairs.
You want to go to Greece? Just like this. I don't think this is the scenic route, Rich.
Nope. But we're getting down to the bottom here. Look at that doorknob. Look at, they're all like that.
Uh-huh.
How does it even work?
There's a kitty cat. Look at those cool buildings, Rich.
Yeah, it is. Look at that church. Look at the entrance there.
Did you enjoy your tapa and
I did,
and cerveza?
Yes, and now I think I'm going to see if there's gelato right here, Robin.
You're looking for gelato now?
At Pinocchio.
Gelatateria. Pinocchio. What you got there?
Crema de whiskey.
Gelato? Italiana? It's red.
It was yellow, now it's red. Now it's green on the other side, or
So now we're in the new city center. That was the old city center.
This is new, huh?
This is new. What's our traffic look like?
Clear, clear, clear.
Can you get rid of that big yellow truck?
I'll go ask him to move it.
You need to take my photograph. Entry?
It is the band entry.
A big old banyan tree. Nice little fountain.
Watch out for the big panda bear, Robin. He's coming after you.
Rich, is that a giant panda over there?
That is one big old panda.
But why is there a panda
Oh,
in Spain?
are we in China?
This is a really pretty walk down here with all these palm trees
Yeah, this is kind of cool.
as we head back to the ship. But the stone walkways here are quite slippery.
and it's kind of
How is it in the winter?
Oh, it's got to be a slip and slide.
Oh, lots of stuff for sale, Rich.
Yeah.
Getting ready for a photo shoot. It was an interesting day today. We saw a castle, we saw the Blue Pots Street,
Stop for some tapas and cerveza.
and ooh, that
And
was
gelato.
slippery. Very slippery. Old town, new town, something all over the
Spilled,
ground. So we saw the old town, and we saw some of the new town, and now it's back to the ship, Rich.
Yeah,
So what was your favorite thing today, Rich?
the castle.
I thought your favorite part might be the castle.
Thank you.
I like the little alleyway streets. The Blue Pots were nice, but not, you
Nice.
know.
Yeah, that's not a must.
But the old town, I always like the old town and the little, I like finding the little alleyways and little streets.
Well, which is always nice, but it seems like somebody said, hey, let's put 20 pots out on the
Yeah.
street and
Well, I mean,
put it
yeah.
on Instagram, and that'll draw a
The
lot of
Blue
people.
Pots were okay. My favorite in a city is usually the old town and the little small alleyways.
And you're always trying to find that perfect door.
Right now, I'm trying to find that perfect toilet.
Baños,
How do they call them baños here?
a water closet.
Water closet.
But where were we? And I asked for a water closet, and he's like, huh? I go,
And then you
He goes,
baños, and they said, oh.
"Oh, no,
and
he
I
says,
said,
oh,
toilet.
Baños is this way.
Toilet. I think next time we come, we should get on the tuk-tuk tour.
Yeah. Seemed like we saw him in all the places we were at.
And let's walking. Rich, come on, Rich. I gotta go to the bathroom.
Robin, why are you in a hurry?
Hurry up. I'll see you. I'll see you later. Bye, Rich.
Adios. Legend, wait for it, dairy.
Not a bad view, Rich.
Not bad at all. Look at this.
Our view in Alicante, Spain.
Wish you'd just get rid of the railing.
In mañana, we are in Barcelona for a couple days.
And
So
then pick up the camper van and explore some more of Europe, Robin.
So join us next time as we explore a little bit of Barcelona.
No, it's Barcelona.
See you then.